All right. Hey, YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if you're new here, if this is your first time finding us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and we put on this channel so that we can teach people how to make money so they can get away from their 9 to 5, get out of the rat race, or just make a little extra money on the side. So on the channel, we have several different series, some different programs we make. We make money with everything on here that we do, and we just want to pass that info on to you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We sure appreciate it. And if you like this video, please leave us a like on it. So today you've landed on the daily series for Clickbank. And what we do is we go through every day. We put these videos out. We send out emails with my lead gen secret, and then we show the results. Now, today, let's go ahead and jump into Clickbank, and we'll check some stats. If I can, there we go. If I can get logged in here. Okay, so we made a sale last night. So that's awesome. I think that is number 6 for us, but we did have the refund that we showed yesterday. And let's jump into, let's see, we're already here. Let's jump into some reporting and see. And refunds are going to happen. Like I said yesterday, we don't, it's not that big a deal. It's going to happen. It kind of goes along with the territory. So today, so far, we've had almost 200 clicks to our hop link. So 200 clicks to our link, right? And we haven't sent our emails out yet. So that's pretty good. We're going to send our emails out here just shortly. And let's check the entire period right here. There we go. Okay, so what we have here is we've had 7,859 clicks to our link. We've had 23 initial impressions. That is clicks through to the order form. So we've seen 23. We've had 6 sales, which is what we talked about previously. And this is our initial earnings, 103.19 at this point. So that's pretty good. It's pretty good just going in for 10 minutes a day, sending these out there, and we're making some sales. We literally put hardly any work into this at all. It's just quick copy and paste. And let's go ahead and jump into my lead gen secret, our first account. And then we will send our first email out. Now I have a email. Actually, I'm going to go, some of my accounts may not be quite ready yet. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this email over here. Now, this email is a little bit different. This is the last one for this promotion that we've been running. So they've got it worded a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and use what they have. We're going to have to make a couple extra modifications. So there's our subject. We're going to have to modify that short code. So let's just do that now so we don't forget. And we'll use this short code here for the mailing system. We're going to Control C, and we're just going to go right there. So now we'll have their name in the subject. So it'll say, you missed our meeting, Bob, or you missed our meeting, Sue, or whatever their name is. So we're going to come down here. We're going to grab our hop link and our email body, excuse me. We're going to highlight and we're going to go Control V and paste that in there. Now, as always, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all the bold because we just want our link in bold. So another modification is going to be right here where we need to have our short code right here for first name. And we do comma. And now here they're saying on date. So what we're going to do, we're just going to change this to, what is today? Today's the 7th. Let's make this to 5th. Which is easy because we have sent an email every single day. So it's going to say, hey, first name, on 3/5/2023, I sent you a reminder about our meeting, but you didn't turn up. I'd have preferred if you'd let me know you couldn't make it, but that's okay. The job the meeting was about is still available if you're interested. We're looking for paid social media rep. This work is remote and salary is $35 per hour, up to $350 per day. If your application is successful, yeah, that's fun. Let's see, our team will be in touch and you can start your training ASAP. This will take place online, so there's no need to travel anywhere. Click here to apply. If you're not interested in this job, please hit the reply button and let me know. Now, this email will be a no reply email. I'll keep the position reserved for you the next few hours, but after that, I have to open up to other people. So they're just wanting to put the pressure on, right? Because this is the last email for this promotion. I hope you understand. Click here to apply now. Best wishes, and our signature or our name. And we're going to put our link in here, our affiliate ID. Make sure that's right. There we go. And then we're just going to copy, Control C, and I'm going to put it here. So there's our link right there. And I'm going to go ahead and bold this, and I'm going to bring this up to 14. Then we're going to put it here again. And then I'm going to bold this, and I'm going to bring this up to 14 again. And that should be plenty. Actually, let's see. Let's put it here too. So it's a little higher up. We'll put it in our 3 times. And then that one I won't bold. I'll just leave that way. So we'll go ahead and get rid of our link there because we don't need it anymore. I'm going to make this video a little bit shorter. So what you're going to do is you're going to do just like every other single video. Now you're just going to copy paste on all your other accounts. By this point in the series, I should not have to show you how to do that because you should have seen on all your videos exactly how to do that. So I'm going to send this one. I'm going to go send the rest of mine. So send this out. I'm going to go send the rest of mine, and be sure to check out the brand new series we have coming out right here. I've got another video uploading for day number 5 with some more instructions. It also entails MLGS, just like we're using here. So check that out. Check out the rest of the series on the channel. I appreciate it. And we will see you tomorrow for the next one. Later.